What is up, babies and boys? It's the sweetie ShonJolie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this quick, easy, very hood Met Gala Kim K look. This is probably going to be one of the easiest tutorials that you will ever watch on YouTube. It don't get no more watered down than this. I'm not really a makeup guru, beauty, yada yada yada. I talk about hair. I know how to do makeup, but that ain't my niche on here. It's hair. Before we get into the video though, please make sure you follow me on Instagram at ShonJolie, as well as subscribe to my channel. And if you have not hit that notification bell yet, please do that, like now. I think something that y'all really gonna like coming this month, so please stay tuned. And I feel like I'm talking too much right now, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and be real with y'all. I did cheat. I have had this makeup on all day. As you can see, my liner is looking very jacked. I just look like a greasy, sweaty mess. But the point of this video is this eye look, so let's stay focused on this eye look. I am using this brown color from my BH Cosmetics palette. It's I think the 120 color. It honestly wasn't all that great. Some makeup companies, if you want to reach out, you know, send me a palette or something like that. You know, your girl is always open to it. But if not, I'm going to just have to buy it myself. But yeah, just go ahead and watch this. And I'll be popping in and out, so y'all going to hear me talking. Yep. The color that I'm using right here is from my contour palette. Once again, please excuse my liner. I did fix it after I finished with everything, but it just, ooh, it's bothering me. But anyways, yes, this brown I'm using because my palette just does not have a good enough brown to use right here. You really don't see this color in this look, but it helps, I guess, for a transition color between that and the black, so it's just not black there on the eyelid. My ring light is kind of just messing the colors up in this, even though these colors aren't that bright in this palette, which is why I was like, I need another palette, because this look real chapped, like it look real ashy. But the colors were showing up better than this, like in my room. So right now I'm just going in with this black jumbo liner pencil, and what I'm gonna do is smoke this out with one of my brushes. It ain't no Morphe brush, it ain't no special type of brush. I just used the brush that I just came across that was sitting inside of my makeup box, because ain't nobody got time for all of that crazy stuff they be talking about. Right here, I'm just adding a little more brown so that line is just not so blunt. Now you apply your lashes, baby girl. Okay, now this part is important, not because it's difficult, but because y'all really need to be careful when it comes to this liner and any mascara you put down here, because I literally had the liner or whatever it is on my contact lens, all because I'm trying to get this super smoky look. So y'all just be careful. And that concludes the tutorial. I really hope that y'all found this as funny as I did, because this whole time editing I could not keep a straight face, because I'm just like, I look a mess. But y'all see how it came together though. Everything about YouTube is trial and error. I just showed y'all the imperfect side. Thanks for watching.